Hello guys, myself Jitu, and in this video you will learn to create this amazing Figma pattern interaction. I have 10 years of experience in entire design industry. I have built a lot of products, a lot of successful products, and I am going to share all the tips, tricks and the high quality visual design and the product design and the no code design with you on this channel. I already have on my Instagram account where we have family of 20k followers, and now I'm starting here. So please do follow this channel and watch this video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe and share. So let's get started. Very first, take a frame, then draw a rectangle, simple rectangle, keep the height smaller, around 12. I think this is enough. Now change the color to black. Now create a component.
Music licensing reimagined.
Add one more variant. Now change the height of second variant to something like this, more thinner. I think this is perfect. Now the last step is to connect prototype. So connect the first variant with second. Use the trigger of while hovering. Change to smart animate. We'll keep it 600 ms. Ease out. Let's keep it 400. Ease out. Now we'll bring this entire component outside the frame. We'll call it line. Now just go to the left side asset panel and bring this, bring this component inside this, duplicate multiple times. Now what we can do is we will again duplicate one more time and change the rotation to -90. Now it seems perfect. Now we'll run the prototype.
Music licensing reimagined.
Boom. The effect is working right now. Let's add some color in the background.
Artlist.io.
Now run the prototype again, and yeah, here you can see we have successfully created this interactive pattern in Figma. You can use this for your highly interactive projects. You can change the color, anything, whatever you want. You can just go to the parent component and change the color. Let's see how it will look. Ooh.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, that's all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.